This is Space-Comm Expo, where space does business. The UK's largest space event is brought to you by Hub Exhibitions and is supported by UK Space Agency, ADS Group, ESA and KTN, in partnership with Farnborough International.
We're here again, we're at the heart of the space industry, heart of the aerospace industry. This is our third year of running the event, so it just shows how important it is both to the UK, but also how important Farnborough is to that industry in terms of convening people and bringing them together.
The space sector's contribution to the UK economy continues to grow apace.
We now are at £17.5 billion worth of turnover annually, with just over £7 billion of added value to the UK exchequer. So it's a great story for the entire UK.
So let's take a look at the show's highlights. The two-day expo dedicated to the commercial future of space welcomed stakeholders from around the globe and was a platform for major business announcements. Viasat revealed its space relay solution, enabling connectivity between low Earth orbit and geostationary satellites.
We're going to provide a payload that allows for LEO to GEO relay. With Viasat 3, you can stream broadband data right off the Earth observation platform in real time and have it on Earth in the user's hand in less than a second. And so it's really a radical transformation of what's possible in Earth observation, and we're really excited about this capability.
This year's conference focused on bringing the future of space to reality, with key innovators and leaders from NASA, UK Space, ESA, FAA, CGI and more taking part in the programme across 3 stages. The main stage was opened by TV science presenter Dallas Campbell, who chatted with Tim Peake, CMG, about the importance of the space sector to critical national infrastructure and how we need to prepare the future workforce.
You look around you here at the number of delegates and you'll see how important this event is to the UK space sector. This event is growing. We've had some fantastic talks already this morning. We're learning a lot about what's going on at the moment, and the UK space sector continues to thrive.
Other sessions on day 1 explored digital transformation, space exploration, missions and tourism, and debris detection, and fostering the UK space economy.
We're also spending a £4.3 million grant supporting STEM educators. That's helping children to be inspired and to learn more about science, technology, engineering and maths. And we're using space as the catalyst for that. We're working with a group called ESRO UK and the National Space Academy.
Of course, Space-Comm Expo isn't just about learning and being inspired by global experts. It's also about collaboration between governments, agencies and companies of all sizes, building on existing connections and making new ones.
So really, Space-Comm is important because, number one, you need the supply chain, you need the customers to have the business, and of course you need the UK Space Agencies to guide the industry as well. So it really brings everyone together in one place.
Space-Comm Expo 23 has been brilliant for us. We've been the headline sponsor. We have been so excited to see that huge growth in number of participants, over 60% more. It's amazing to see. We've had a really busy show. I have met new customers, new suppliers. We've been able to talk to our existing contacts. It's been great to show off our Azalea model and our stand here and to take part in the panels. So we're really delighted with how the show's gone.
Aerospace Wales Forum exhibited for the first time at Space-Comm Expo this year, highlighting the nation's role in the growth of the UK's space proposition.
We don't see ourselves as Fortress Wales, we're very much an integral part of the UK. And the UK has set its stall out to be the centre for launch and development of small satellites. You look at Glasgow, for example, they've now got 3 satellite companies up there. We've got 1 in Wales, we hope to build more.
More than 150 exhibitors from the UK and beyond showcased new products, services and technologies on their stands and in the startup zone, while countless meetings took place across the show floor and in the Meet the Buyer sessions. Several companies, including Goodfellow and Catapult Satellite Applications, demonstrated robotic arms. Rolls-Royce had a micro-reactor model on show, and Zeiss's Scan Cobot highlighted the application of 3D scanning in space manufacturing. Hot topics on day 2 of the conference included sustainability, the future workforce, and how to make the UK a destination for space, as well as how to drive these trends through commercial and government sector partnerships.
It is a very new feature at ESA, promoting the commercialization of space, but also ensuring to develop a new space ecosystem in Europe.
So that's almost all for Space-Comm Expo 2023, but looking ahead to 2024, Rob Sherwood from event organiser Hub Exhibitions had this to say.
The number of visitors who had pre-registered to visit this event was up nearly 60% on last year. And you can see looking around you, the aisles are full. It's a really busy show. I think we need some bigger theatres next year to accommodate all this interest.
This has been an amazing experience and we're proud to be part of Space-Comm today and going forward into the future.
We'll see you again at Farnborough International next year. In the meantime, for more information, visit the Space-Comm Expo website.